There are two reasons for which Bangalore gets an international reputation. One is for its contribution in information and technology, and the other one is this. This is the poor infrastructure that Bangalore has when it comes to the road. These are the potholes that you see on a daily basis, the things that the public suffers on a daily basis, and this is that gives them the international reputation when it comes to pothole. Where I am standing right now is the Hosur Road. If I tell my camera person to show behind him, if we go this way, you're going to connect to roads like Brigade Road, MG Road, Hosur Road, and all these places. Now, if I tell my camera person to pan on the side where I am standing, if we show on this side, this road will connect to places like Koramangala, Madiwala, Bellandur, where these IT officers or IT companies are actually placed. And this is the condition of this particular patch on this road. And this is not the only patch that is like this. If I walk another 100 meters, I will be able to show you another patch, because this is how the condition of the roads are in Bengaluru. Now, mind you, this particular time of the year is the pre-monsoon season for Bengaluru. We are already seeing showers on a daily basis, and when there are heavy showers in Bengaluru on a daily basis, these roads wither away and they become huge potholes and huge craters where water gets accumulated, and it automatically affects the traffic of this particular place. Now, with just 1 month away, the monsoon is also around the corner. Now, with just 1 month away, the monsoon is around the corner and the situation will get worse. The Chief Minister of Karnataka, Siddaramaiah, already had yesterday was on he was on a recce where he went across the city to see the work of the BBMP and what has happened, and in that recce it was figured out that as per the report by the BBMP, there are close to 5,500 potholes in Bengaluru alone, which includes both main roads and your small lanes. Now we have close to 5,000 potholes, and the Chief Minister has given them 1 month time to make sure that in the next 1 month before the monsoon season begins, all these potholes that we are seeing are covered. Now, covering this pothole happens every year. What Karnataka or Bangalore actually needs is a permanent solution so that these potholes do not crop up every now and then. The DCM also has gone on to say that people can click the photo of a pothole nearby and post it on social media, and he will make sure that within a day or two that pothole disappears from that particular road. Now, the government has made these announcements with regards to the poor road condition right before monsoon, but how much of this will be implemented is something that we all will have to wait and watch, because as a Bengalurian, as somebody who's been following news for 10 years, we see such announcement only coming up when the rainy season begins with regards to potholes. Whether these promises turn into action or not is something that has to be waited and watched. Bringing you this report from Hosur Road showing the horrible dilapidated potholes of Bengaluru is me, Mohammad Wajiullah, with my camera person Naveen for News 9.